Today I'm sharing two amazing DIY anti-hairfall hair masks that are super easy to make at home. The first one combines the nourishing power of aloe vera and lemon to strengthen your roots and reduce hair fall. And the second one is a lotus flower hair mask, a luxurious treat for your hair which promotes growth and adds shine. So grab your ingredients and let's get started.
Wash the aloe vera leaf under running tap water. Slice the leaf into 5 to 8 pieces. Cut the thorns on the both sides. Put them in water for 10 minutes. Take it out and wash it one more time under running tap water. Now scrape the aloe vera gel from it. Add the fresh aloe vera gel to a mixer. Squeeze one whole lemon into it. Grind it to make it a paste. Take a cotton pad and dip it into the mask and apply it onto your scalp and hair. Section your hair and press the cotton pad to release the juice. Aloe vera reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair roots. It relieves dandruff and itchy scalp. It stimulates healthy hair growth. Lemon promotes hair growth and maintains scalp's health. Do this onto your entire scalp and hair. Once done, put a bun. Leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or shikakai. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. Do this weekly twice and see your hair grow faster in just 1 month. Anti-bald hair mask for men and women. Baldness is a rising problem in both men and women. This hair pack helps to prevent further balding. It also makes the hair voluminous and thicker. It makes the hair grow stronger and voluminous. This hair pack is very suitable for people who have hair thinning problem and also people who are suffering from early baldness. So let's move on to the video. The main ingredient of this hair mask is lotus flower. I am taking 3 lotus flower. Take the petals and put it into a mixer. Add 2 whole eggs into it. It is necessary to add whole eggs into it because yolk is what it provides a strength to the hair roots. However, if you don't like egg yolk, you can separate the white and add it to the mixer. Add some water and grind it to make it a paste. This is how the hair pack look like. Apply it using a brush or a cotton pad. I seeked my mom said to apply it. Apply it on the roots, hair strands and tip. Cover your entire hair and scalp with it. Make sure you leave this hair pack for 30 minutes. Take bath in normal to warm water. Do not use hot water to wash your hair. Rinse with your regular shampoo. Remember to dilute the shampoo with water and then use it. Lotus provides intense repair for healthier and shinier hair. It supports a thicker hair growth and make it stronger. It is also a natural conditioner. It treats split ends, dandruff and prevents premature hair graying. The protein in the egg will serve as a nutrition for hair growth. Eggs make the hair follicles stronger. It adds shine and improve the texture. This hair pack is highly recommended for people who have hair thinning and early baldness issues. After 30 minutes, wash your hair as told before. Use this pack once in every week and tell me the results in the comment section below. I'm sure this hair pack will make your hair look stronger, healthier, shinier and especially voluminous.
These two anti-hairfall masks are packed with natural goodness to nourish your scalp and hair. It reduces hair fall and promotes growth. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from hair fall so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care.